garlicky mayo.
This is the continuation of the shark ninja Foodi. Yeah, she is preheating right now to how many degrees?
375.
And you've got regular oil in here now?
I got nothing in there.
You got nothing in there. Okay. So what are you actually heating?
I'm preheating it.
Preheating. But there's nothing in there to...
Insert crisper basket unit, close hood, select air crisp, set temperature to 375, set time to 22 minutes, select start stop to begin preheating. When unit beeps to signify it has preheated, add frozen fries to the basket. Close the hood and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, shake the basket.
Oh. Okay.
Place the basket back in the unit and close the hood to resume cooking. Meanwhile, combine mayonnaise, garlic powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice in a bowl. After 10 minutes, check fries for doneness. Continue cooking up to 2 more minutes when necessary. When cooking is complete, toss fries with canola oil, serve with Parmesan and parsley, and immediately serve with a garlicky mayo sauce.
Huh.
The end.
The end. Well, we'll see. Okay, add food. That took how long? That took how long? 2 minutes?
Should take roughly 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Here, Lexi.
That lid's pretty heavy? No?
No, the lid is light.
Yeah.
Okay, insert when they...
Now we're gonna go 2150.
Cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so when it says 11, take it and shake it. So meanwhile...
Meantime, she's going to spin up this Parmesan mix.
Look.
You're watching.
Time.
Yep.
Watch.
Okay, so it slows down, stops. Alright.
Immediately resumes.
And then kicks back up.
Immediately comes back on. You don't lose your time. You can open it up and peek in at as much as you want.
But it cools it down each time you do it, right?
You can open it up and peek in it as much as you want.
Okay, you spun them around. They're really nice and crispy. And those, your little silicone middies there,
Make it hot.
make it hot.
Yeah, make it hot.
Oh.
I wish I could laminate this because this is going to get awfully messy. Because I don't know what I'm doing.
Testing the fries?
It's hotter than hell,
That's
dude.
probably one hot.
I want a hot French fry.
One hot French fry.
See if it's done.
Mmm.
Done?
That's really good.
Done?
Yeah. That is crispy. And that was no oil?
No oil, not a drop.
Oh. Very nice. I'm gonna try to put it on it. Not greasy or anything. That's good. Jeez, no grease on that one at all.
really aren't covered in this though. I was supposed to spray them a little bit, but I didn't want to.
I'll spray them with a
Yeah.
little bit of canola oil, and that stuff will help it stick to them. Sweet. Really good. Awesome.